Voltage is not applicable.
In equipment. No, that's not in cable, right?
But do you have any equipment? I mean, you are not using.
Your machinery something, pump or something is there outside? No, we have HVAC, right?
But in HVAC, they don't have HVAC for construction.
No, the other side of his HVAC will be there, right?
Are you using any equipment which is using electricity, like motor, pump, fan? Light is okay. Light is 220.
Okay.
Any other?
You can put same as above.
Okay, no.
Yes.
So
yeah, AC is there. No, put same as above.
Put the same. Right?
Okay.
Put the same thing.
And remove 4 insulation in that case.
Remove?
4 insulation is not installation. Okay. 4 installation is
remove it, no problem. So more than
volt, I doubt 440 volt you have any more than.
Because your DG is up to 440, so you don't have any DG which is generating more than 440.
You don't have more than 440, right?
No, 2 maximum.
Okay.
No lightning discharge because this is construction.
No, lightning discharge is possible, no?
No additional concern, I can say.
No additional concern.
Right?
Any measures on the building, you're putting any lightning arrestor or something? Side team? Side team?
Yes, please again.
Yeah, you have any lightning arrestor or something on the building? Your site office?
I think no.
Earthing lightning is there, right?
I doubt.
Because you are metallic, you are the container, right? Right? Or the side of this building. Yeah. So you have to suppose some lightning happen. You have lightning discharge, there will be one road, something is at the top.
Okay, just speak to them because if it is elevated more than 30 meters, 40 meters, then you need to put a lightning arrestor. But if it is
This is only
2 meters, 3 meters.
No, it's 2 story. 1 story, 2 story. 1 story.
1 story, that is a maximum of 3 meters.
Okay.
Right. That's more.
Not required.
What is the concern?
No additional. Electrostatic, there is no electrostatic, so we are happy.
But where is the working bonding is there somewhere?
Sorry, earthing bonding. Yeah, earthing bonding, you have taken earthing bonding, earthing. For diesel, if you wish to take a diesel engine, diesel.
No, we don't because this is the content.
Not
No
major thing.
UV radiation.
This will be part of the, OHIT, but no additional concern here because you don't have any source of.
No, take it out, take it out. There is no, they are not doing any testing, anything.
So it's
not applicable. Would not applicable. UV only from solar you can put, but that is only for your calling the heat stress and things. No, that is not applicable. Not applicable. Would not applicable. So this is mainly for the piping purpose. Yeah, you do this one.
No major concern. Yeah.
Even alpha beta mega also not there. Alpha beta also won't be there. Not applicable. They are not going to do any testing.
Yeah, absolutely. No entity, nothing.
Nothing is there. Okay.
Alpha beta is
why it is a closed circle of concepts. Okay.
Yeah, these are also not applicable because you don't have entity also. No?
Okay.
Oxygen, no.
Low oxygen atmosphere.
Because no confined space, nothing.
No, but if they are going, how deep are going? 1 meter?
1 meter.
1 meter, right?
And open space.
Excess CO2 is not, drowning not applicable, excess hydrogen, no smoke, welding fumes. Yeah.
Welding, we don't have welding. No welding, no?
No, smoke is coming from the exhaust, right?
We can say engine exhaust.
Engine exhaust.
DG. Correct?
Yeah. Okay, pretty good. Okay. Do it. Okay. And here you put that maintenance, that what you say, that's maintenance and inspection. Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
To be.
And that is elevated exhaust. You put elevated exhaust because exhaust is elevated, so it won't coming on the face, right? Okay. It's okay, right? Nazruddin was the right officer. Site team, okay?
So clean agent not applicable here, right?
No, clean agent not applicable.